Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something very important, which is security. If you are using Trojan Bot to trace meme coin, you must know how to protect your bot wallet from scam and drainers. Let's go step by step. But before starting the video, if you haven't joined Trojan Bot, make sure to create an account with our referral code, which is CryptoWhalexx, which is being displayed on the screen, or you can also use our referral link, which is available in the description of the video. If you use our referral code or our referral link, you can save money lifetime on the transaction fees, and it's easy and free to use. Okay, so why security is important in crypto? There is no customer support that can recover your money. Actually, if your wallet gets drained, the funds are usually gone forever. So protecting your wallet should always be your number one priority. Step one: use a separate trading wallet. Here you can see that in the, if I tap here on the wallet section, here you can see there are active two wallets right now. Okay, so never use your main wallet with Trojan or any trading board. Instead, create a separate trading wallet from here. You can click on create a new wallet, or you can also import a wallet here. So send only the amount you plan to trade. This way your main fund stays safe. So here's the step two. Save your seed phrase securely. When you create a wallet, you receive a seed phrase. This phrase is the master key to your wallet. Never share it with anyone, never store it in screenshots, and never send it to through message. Write it down and keep it offline. So here's a step three: use only official Trojan links. One of the most common scams is a fake bots and fake website. Always use the official Trojan bot, bookmark the real website, and avoid random links sent in Telegram groups or DMs. So here's a step four: be careful with token links. Many scam happen when people click random token links before buying any token. Check the contract address, verify liquidity, okay, and make sure the token is not a fake copy. So here's a step five: start with a small trades. When trying a new token or strategy, start small. This helps you test if the token can be sold, if the liquidity is real, and if the project is safe. Okay, so here are some common security mistakes that beginners make. They trust strangers in DMs. They start clicking and on unknown links, and they start using the same wallets everywhere. Avoid these and your funds will be much safer. So the simple safety rule: remember this rule: one wallet for storage and one wallet for trading. Never mix the two. So if this video helped you protect your Trojan wallet, hit the like, subscribe button, and share it with someone new to crypto. Stay safe, stay smart, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.